Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are going to be doing another Halloween look today. I am so excited. We are going to be doing kind of a take on the Cruella Deville character from 101 Dalmatians. I found this photo that really inspired me and I really thought was cool. I'm going to try to create it. Again, a lot of the looks that I'm going to be creating during these next handful of weeks I found either on Pinterest or Instagram. The look today is going to be a glam type of look because Cruella was kind of a glamorous, person. What we're going to have happen is parts of her face are breaking away to reveal the Dalmatian type of spot to give the impression that she is a super obsessive person through and through. We're going to start by drawing where I'm going to have some of those little breakouts in the face where you can see that like Dalmatian look. We're going to start with probably one right here. Grab my mirror. So one right here. I'm just gonna, you're just drawing kind of like little areas in the skin that you want to kind of look like it's been cracked or breaking away from the face. I think we'll have one come down here. I'm gonna have some come kind of down as well. Okay, then what we're gonna do is now fill in the rest of our face with foundation, and we'll fill in the white areas with a white foundation. So okay, now what I'm going to do is fill in my eyebrows and my eye makeup, and we're going to do that kind of quickly, and then we're going to move on to getting these little white areas to look more like Dalmatian. Our eyes are on and our brows are done. Now I'm going to fill in these white areas with a liquid felt tip liner. Now that we have those parts outlined, we're going to start putting in little like black dots pretty much to give the illusion of a Dalmatian type of fur underneath my skin. Okay, now that we have our spots like filled in, what we're going to do now is I'm going to take some black eyeshadow and I'm just going to add some shadowing and a little bit of dimension to this look so that it doesn't look like I just literally drew this on. So we're going to do a little bit of shadowing now. All I have to do now is I'm going to fill in my lips with some red lipstick, add a wig, and we will look at the final look. This is our final look. I really enjoyed doing this one. I really like how it turned out. I think it is so cool. You compare this with a big fluffy like Dalmatian coat and you are all set for your Halloween party. If you enjoyed this video as much as I did, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, as well as the notification bell next to it to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.